Hey, Miles here from WP Courses, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to set up WP Courses Premium. Now, after you've purchased WP Courses Premium, you just want to make sure you're logged in at wpcoursesplugin.com. Then you want to go to My Account. That'll bring you to this page here, and just click Downloads, and you will see a button here to download WP Courses Premium. Just click that, and your download should begin. Next, you'll just want to upload it like you would any other plugin. So you'll just go to Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin. Next, you just want to click Choose File and choose WP Courses Premium, and then click Install Now. And then activate plugin. All right, perfect. Next, you'll want to go to the Options page under WP Courses Options. You'll also, by the way, want to leave WP Courses installed. So you want WP Courses and WP Courses Premium. All right, so it's in addition to WP Courses. All right, so I'll just refresh this page so we have all the new options. And we'll scroll down to Integration. All right, now if you're planning on selling your courses with WooCommerce, you want to turn this on here. If you're planning on selling memberships to your courses with Paid Memberships Pro, you want to turn this on here. Simple toggle switches, and then just click Save. So this will just turn on the integrations. You'll also need WooCommerce if you're doing WooCommerce, and you'll need Paid Memberships Pro if you're using Paid Memberships Pro. There will be separate video tutorials for those. All right, now next and finally, you just want to set up your updates so that you can receive automatic updates for WP Courses Premium. And to do that, you'll just want to go to My Account at wpcoursesplugin.com and then to My License Keys. And you'll just want to copy your license key. I might just blur it out here. And you want to paste that in. And just type in your email address up here, the email address used to register your account, and click Save, and you should be ready to receive automatic updates. So that's really all there is to setting up WP Courses Premium. You'll see we have all sorts of new things like quizzes, we have certificates, badges, automated emails, and much, much more. So there you go.